When the bird runs into the walls of this game, the player loses. In this add-on, you'll make it so the player's sprite explodes when touching the walls of the cave. One way to make a sprite explode is through costume changes. For example, there is already an explosion costume for the parrot in the starter project you remixed. This Switch Costume To block switches to a specific costume. If explosion is not the costume in the Switch Costume To block, click the drop-down menu and change it to Explosion. The parrot should explode if it touches the edges of the cave. Cave edges are colored black, so the Switch Costume To Explosion block belongs inside an if touching color black block. Now, this part of the program reads, if the parrot is touching color black, switch the costume to explosion, then say, you lose, and stop everything. Test your code. Great. The sprite explodes when touching the cave walls. You may want to add a sound that will play when this happens, or use a repeat block with a change size block to make the sprite get bigger when it explodes. Exploring fun customizations like this is one of the best parts of computer science, and it's a great way to make your game more interesting and fun to play. Now it's your turn. Use the Switch Costume To block to make an explosion happen when the sprite hits the wall.